Hi everyone, so today I'm going to quickly show you 3 ways on how to put a background on a post that you're trying to repost on your story. The timestamps will be down below and let's get started. So I am now screen recording and I'm going to go into Instagram and pretend I see a post that I want to repost on my story. So I'm going to click the little arrow and add post to my story and say that I want to change the background to the blue color in the post instead of the baby pink. I'm going to click the pen tool and then use the dropper, put it over the blue, and then hold the background for like 3 seconds and it should change. And then done, and then you can move around your post to bigger, smaller, whichever you'd like. So that's the first way. Okay, so next I'm going to be showing you how to put a background image that you want for any repost. And I'm going to repost it on my story. It looks really cute already, but I want to put my own image. So I'm going to go back to photos. And then I saved a bunch from Pinterest and Google, but I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to just copy this image and then go back to Instagram. And then I'm going to paste it. So it's there. And then I'm also going to use the pen tool again and just get the very top color so it matches and touch the background so the background becomes that one color you made. And then I'm going to put the repost image like right above here. And then make this image as big as you want. I want to fill up the whole background, but keep the top a little peeking through. And then I'm going to touch it so it comes out forward, and then you just simply drag it and put it anywhere you'd like, and it is clickable and it looks really cute. And the third and final way is to put a GIF that you want. So we're going to repost this on our story. I'm going to go back into my photos and then I'm going to copy this water GIF and then go back to Instagram, and then it's going to say add sticker, and then I'm going to use the dropper selection tool to get the very top. Touch the background again so it makes it blue, press done, and then I'm going to move the post that I want to put on my story up here again. I'm going to make this GIF really big. I want it to cover it. It's a little blurry, but I really like it, but make sure to remember to have a little bit peeking out from the top. I'm going to touch the top again, and then you're just going to move it around. Here you have the GIF background for your repost. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.